Hello,
Hi,
I'm Mr. Rafiq. What's your name?
my name's Lana. How are you, Mr. Rafiq?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too, thank you. Where are you from?
I'm originally from Bangladesh. Where are you from, Lana?
I come from England. What do you do?
I'm a teacher. Are you student, Lana?
Yes, I'm a student.
Where do you study?
I study in a university in England. I'm an MBA student.
Wow, very good.
Thank you, Mr. Rafiq.
Where are you going now, Lana?
I am going to meet my friend.
Nice to meet you, Lana.
Nice to meet you too.
See you.
See you too.
Goodbye, Lana.
Bye.